Hey guys, Karasuv here with another Yokai Metal unboxing video. This time I'll be opening up a box of Yokai Metal Dream 04 packs. So, we now have the fourth set of Dream Metals. We can take a look at the box. We can see that, like with set 3, in order to use these metals you'll need to update your Yokai Watch Dream to at least version 2. And like the other boxes, this comes with 20 packs, 1 metal per pack. We look at the assortment. 20 metals, 2 clear frame hollow metals, 7 solid frame hollow metals, and 11 normal metals. So, we'll get the box opened up, and we can get to opening the packs. And now that I've got the box open, let's take a look at the packs. Let's start off by taking a look at the packs themselves and the cover art. Once again, we can see some of the metals included, as well as some of the yokai that are on these metals. You can kind of get a feeling that for this set, this is going to have a theme of the superhero yokai from Yokai Watch 3, as well as some Yokai Watch Busters characters. So, bring in my scissors, let's get to opening this, starting off with pack 1. So first up, we have Nyan Majo. Pack 2, we have Sky Shariman. So this is one of the clear hollow metals. For pack 3, you've got Dayanyan. Next for pack 4, we have Kapper. In pack 5, we have Mighty Dog. For pack 6, we have Speedy Double. In pack 7, you've got Bunny Mint. Pack 8, we have Mikanyan. Pack 9, we have Necolumbus. In pack 10, we have B. Komasan. For pack 12, have Yakai. For pack 13, you've got Gokai. Pack 14. We have BG Banyan. Pack 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so I was actually off my count a little bit, so let's see. 14, 15, 16. Let's see, 1, 2. I think this is actually pack 14. For this one, we have another BG Banyan. 15, 16. And this is pack 15. And we have Fukai. Pack 16. Have another Fukai. Pack 17. We have Gacha Dokuro in pack 18. Another Gacha Dokuro, pack 19. We have D-Rex, and in pack 20, another D-Rex. Now, for this one, I've actually got to do something a little bit different, because for this unboxing, I actually have a second box of Yokai Metal Dream 04 packs. But I'm going to open up this off camera because, as you guys should know, the Yokai Metal Dream boxes basically have preset assortments. So, after I open this, it's going to end up in one of two results. If this fills out the remaining medals from the set, I'll include these medals in my demonstrations. But if it's a duplicate box, then I'll leave them out. So, go open this up off camera and get back to you guys with the final amount of medals. Alright, so I opened up the second box and have all the medals here. Luckily for me, it was not a duplicate box, but unfortunately, what I have here is a near complete set, but not quite. I managed to get 19 out of the 20 possible medals, and the 20th medal you see here is a variant. So, as always, I'll get to looking at these with the Yokai Watch Dream, and just show off the something songs for one yokai per tribe. So, let's get started with that, but before doing so, just want to point out that for these medals, there are 3 bonus Yoki charges. Some of them will have the Daikichi, or Big Luck charge. Some will have the Kuchibue, or Whistle charge. And some will have a Hikari, or Light charge. So let's get started with that. First up, we have Nyan Majo, a witch cat yokai, who is exclusive to, or at least initially exclusive to, Yokai Watch Busters Akaneko-dan. Next is Bunny Mint. Next up we have Sky Shariman, the leader of Team Super Seed. So this is one of the Daikichi charge medals. Next we have a boss yokai, Kabukiroid. After that we have B. Jibanyan, a version of Jibanyan as part of the Yokai Watch Busters, in a special Busters suit. So this is one of the Kuchibue charged medals. Next we have Komasan, the Yokai Watch Busters version of Komasan. And the variant I pulled is a variant of Komasan with Mighty Dog right here. So another Kuchibue charge. Next we have Mighty Dog, the big boss version of Komasan. Alright, another Kuchibue charge. Next up we have Dainyan. So it looks like the Kuchibue charges on all of the Preachy Tribe medals from the set. Or at least most of them. We'll see about that last one. Alright, it's on Mikanyan too. And next we have Necolumbus. And yep, on all of the Preachy Tribe medals. So, let's have our one Poka Poka Tribe medal, Speedy Double. Alright, another Daikichi charge. Next we have our Usurakage Tribe medal, starting off with Gashidokuro. Next is Kapper. And after that is Kari Kari Bacon. Next we have our one Bukimi medal for the set, Saki-chan, leader of Team Tempest Pride. So, As it turned out, all three of the hero yokai medals here from the set have the Daikiki charge. So, next you have D-Rex, another hero yokai, so he probably has that too. Alright, so I guess it's only those three. Next we have the Kaima medals, which fill out the rest of the Kaima, completing the ones from the last set. First up is Fukai. Alright, so it looks like the Kaima medals are the ones with the Hikari charge. Next we have Yakai. And finally, Gokai. And there we go. Overall, this is another pretty good set of medals, and this one is pretty cool. Because while these are all medals that have, or these are all yokai that have previous medals released, some of the yokai here are some of the ones that are a little bit hard to get, either because of being in older sets or having kind of a more obscure release method originally. So, if you missed out on some of these medals or are having a hard time finding some of them in their original format, this set might be worth picking up if you have the Yokai Watch Dream to be able to get some of these medals, or medals for some of these yokai. So this is definitely another pretty good set, and I definitely consider myself pretty lucky to have been able to get most of the medals in the set from just 2 boxes. I'll just have to hunt down the last one online on its own, since I definitely don't want to buy a 3rd box just to try to get 1 medal. But if you're interested in some of the medals in the set, then definitely consider picking up a box. So, next time I'll be reviewing the Yokai New Magazine. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and or comment, and subscribe to keep up with my latest videos. And for now, this is KRX50, writing off.